it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I don't even know what number Stitch Fix this is, but we're trying everything on. We're going over prices. Y'all know that I've loved my stylist the last, I don't even know how many boxes. Her name was Jenny. Well, Jenny informed me last box or box before that she was on maternity leave. So that would be the last box that she would style for me for a while, and I was disappointed. So this month we have, I believe her name was, before I get it wrong, Michelle. So to Michelle, if you're watching this, hey girl. And so we're going to go over everything that's in the box. The last try on I did for my channel for Dia & Co. My hair looks a mess. So the last try on I did for Dia & Co, I showed you what I didn't like first and then led up to what I did like. So what we're going to do in this one is we're going to go opposite, and we're going to talk about what I loved to what I didn't really care for. So first thing, did y'all spot that hot pink when I was holding this stash? These hot pink shorts, look how cute. These caught my attention as soon as I opened the package because they're so fun and they're so like summery, and I wasn't sure if I liked them at first. But then someone being Abby, you know Abby, suggested how cute would these be in the summertime for like date night with like a flowy top and sandals. So I love them. Now they're from the brand Market and Spruce. They're not too long. Y'all know I've been on a rant about shorts that are too long, and they're not too long. They're just right, and I love that. So these are the Market and Spruce Lorraine short in the color fuchsia, a size 18, and they're $54. So moving on, those shorts were my favorite. Everything else was just kind of like, eh. This top was my next favorite thing in the box. This is like a floral print, navy, flowy tank top. It was a little bit too big for me. I felt like it didn't really do anything for my shape. It has this like funky part in the front that like, I don't really know. It's like a wrap type style. It's pretty. I would have liked it a lot more if these were like tropical flowers. I think that that would have caught my attention a little more. Let's see, what brand is this? So this is the brand Status. This is the Rossi Swing Blouse in navy, a size 2X, and it's $44. Like I said, it didn't really do anything for my shape. I'm always on the hunt for shirts like this that are like super easy go-to shirts, but I don't know. I don't know. All right, next thing, let's do this red. So this top, I pulled it out of the box, and I was so excited because I was like, yes, this is exactly what I need. So it's a little hard to tell. It's like this crisscross neck. This is actually red. It looks a little orange on camera. Off the shoulder, but it's not too elastic, so it hangs, which I love. And then it's just flowy. And I paired these with the white jeans in this try-on portion because I was like, yes, this pop of color with white jeans. And it didn't work for me. I don't know. Tell me what you think about it. I had such high hopes for it, but I didn't really, I don't know, I wasn't feeling it. So this is the same brand, Market and Spruce. This is called the Bali Cold Shoulder Cotton something, it's cut off, in the color red. It's a size 2X, and it's $48. I wish I liked it because it's such a fun idea of a top, but I don't know, it wasn't for me. Okay, next thing is this like green colored, this is funny, okay, because the last video, Dia & Co, they sent me a similar style top in this color too, but it had like a floral pattern on it, and I guess this color just must be in because I love the color, but I didn't like the pattern in the shirt before. This one I think is a little too snug. I love the sleeves. It's like a soft, flowy material. I just think it was just a little too snug for me. Maybe if it was a size larger, then I wouldn't feel like it was too small. But I love this color. I mean, I thought it was a really pretty color and a great fit and feel. It was a little too tight. So this is the brand Paper Moon. This is the called Buchanan tie sleeve knit top, light green, a size 2X, and it's $38. Okay, last thing in the box. Let's talk about this. So I requested a box this week. You're seeing this next week, but I requested it this week because I'm out of town for the trip, and I wanted to have a Stitch Fix video to post for y'all, and also I wanted a pair of white jeans. So I thought, okay, I'm going to request the box, and then I'm going to ask them to send me a pair of white skinny jeans so that I can take with me on the trip if I really love them. So they sent these in the brand Slink Jeans. Slink Jeans, yeah. And they're a great material. They're stretchy. They're a size 20. There's no distressing on them anywhere, which kind of disappointed me. And then, like, they're not skinny jeans at the bottom. I don't know if they're meant to be, like, normal length and they're just too short on me. Like I said in the past several times, I'm a little tall. I'm 5'8", 5'9". So maybe they're meant to be regular length, but they're just too short for me. I don't know. Even if they were a little too short, if the ankles would have been super tight, I probably could have dealt with the no distressing because I've been looking for a pair of like great white jeans. However, I don't think that they do the trick for me. I think these would be great for work because there's no distressing on them, and I think that's more work appropriate than a pair of jeans that's all ripped up. But the ankle got me. It's a little too short, and then it's a little too wide in the ankle. I want like a super tight skinny jean. So this is the brand Slink Jeanie Skinny Jean in the color white, a size 20 like I said, and they're $98. $98. And the very last thing in my box are extras. Y'all know last month, oh cute, extra comfort, extra support, extra nice. Oh, that's probably hard to tell. Anyway, y'all know last month I requested some extras to kind of give it a go and ended up really liking the underwear. So it doesn't cost you anything extra to add these extras to your box. It's the same idea. They send them to you if you want to keep them. You pay for them. If you don't, you send them back. So I got a few more. Last month I had ordered a bra that I sent back I didn't care for. And then I'd gotten a pair of black underwear, like bikini underwear, and then this like reddish color thong. So this month I went through and picked all the other colors of the underwear that I didn't get in the last box because I did like them so much. So let's go over them just for real quick reference. This is a pair. These are black thongs. I got them all in a size 2X as well. That's the size that I'd ordered last month and they worked really well. These are just beige. They're inside out, but they're like typical bikini panties. And then I also got beige in the thong. I got white. Oh, I guess I got another pair of black. And then I got a pair of this like reddish pink maroon color in the bikini because last month I ordered these in the thong and ended up keeping them. Okay, so now that I've shown you what all these look like, they're $10 a piece, which is not bad at all for a good pair of underwear. However, the more that I wore the black pair and the pink pair that I got last month, I don't know if I liked them as much after I'd worn them. They tend to slide down a little bit. I don't know if I ordered them in the wrong size, like maybe I need a size smaller. I don't know, but they're extremely elastic. Does that make sense? Like, it's great if you're looking for a pair of real stretchy panties, but they're really, really stretchy. So maybe I should have gotten them in a size smaller. I don't know. I love the band width. Does that make sense? Like this right here, this part, I love that. Like, I don't like underwear that are super skinny on the sides. I like this width. I like the rise. I like the coverage in the back area. I don't know. They just tend to slide down a little bit. So I don't know. I guess it depends what I want to pay for because you get your $20 styling fee credited toward whatever items you keep. So how it works, if you don't know, all 5 items you keep, you get a 25% discount plus your $20 styling fee credited. However, if you only buy, say, one thing, you don't get that 25% discount. You still get your $20 off, though. So I'm not keeping everything because I don't like everything. So I would keep those pink shorts. And then if I wanted to keep a couple pair of these thongs, then I don't know. I guess I'll have to add it up and see how much it would end up being. If you know underwear from Lane Bryant, I like those the best. Those are my favorite kind of underwear ever. I bought a couple pair from Torrid over the years and really liked those too. So that kind of gives you some reference of what I like. These slide down. Y'all, every video. Come here. It's every single stinking video she does that. What? Where's your toy? Go get it. Go get your toy. Watch, let's see if she'll do it. Go get a toy. Where's your toy? Come on. Come on. She's got it, but you just can't see it. All right, so let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I know by the time that this is posted, I would have already had to send back what I didn't like. But I still like to hear your opinion and chat about the different clothes and what you liked or didn't like. Also, if you're interested in signing up for Stitch Fix, there's a link down below. Click on it. Check it out if you want to. It's a $20 styling fee. You get all these clothes. If you don't want them, you send them back and you don't pay anything. It's like a pre-done postage that they send with your package. I really like Stitch Fix. It's my favorite subscription box that I get for clothes. So, yeah. Just so you know, it's my favorite. All right, so I'm going to wrap this video up first. This dress, I'm in love. It's an actual dress. Let me see if I can show you. See, it's got like a little tie. Let's see. Oh, there's the tie right there. Look how cute. So cute. I tried this on in an Old Navy dressing room video and loved it and ended up buying it. So I love it. That's where it's from. It's from Old Navy. I'll see if I can actually find it online, and if I can, I will link it in the description box down below. Okay, so that's a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.